Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Tab 10 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example, in messages, in the dialer, in the browser, it doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now basically all we have to do is to simply enter the settings, so let's tap. Now let's enter the languages, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages, so we've got only English. Let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, this list is so impressive, so for sure you will find the language you'd like to set. I'm looking for the Urdu language, as it is the graphical language, and thanks to this you will be able to see the actual difference in between the keyboards. So alright, I've got the Urdu, so just find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. And here sometimes, of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So I will pick India. And here we've got the keyboard types, and again, depending on the language, you will be sometimes able to pick only one or from two different keyboards, and sometimes you will have up to 5 different options to choose from. I will pick the second one, as it is the graphical language. So let me just mark it and unmark this option. Let's tap on Done if you're ready. We've got the Urdu language applied, so let's go back to the keyboard itself. And here we will have actually 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar, it will not be empty. After a few actions, you will see it. So on the spacebar we will have the name of the language we're currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will actually allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. You can see that on the spacebar we've got the name Urdu, and after getting back to the another keyboard, we've got also the English language, English name. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So just go back to the settings, tap on the languages and tap on the edit icon. Now we can mark the language and simply tap on the trash bin icon. We've got on English left, and after getting back to the keyboard you can see that first of all the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the globe icon, which simply says that we cannot change the language right now. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your CUBOT Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.